Welcome back to the next video. I'm going to do a YouTube challenge. Now I did one of these a while ago on the channel. I've got a Coke and I've got these bloody Mentos. You've probably seen challenges of these on YouTube on various YouTubers, so I'm going to do it in a washing machine. So I just need to open this pack. I might just use one Mentor and just close the thing. So yeah, just gonna undo this cork. Ooh. So what I'm going to do is, hopefully, I hope it fits in the drum, the porthole's just the right size. So yeah, the original Coke I've got, so here we go, let's do the challenge. Things I do for YouTube, but it's entertainment for you guys. If I can open these bloody Mentos, just bear with me. They make packaging so difficult, don't they? There we go. Might put a few Mentos. Oh bugger. Might chuck a few Mentos in the drum as well, like that. So yeah, just let me get some Mentos. Are you ready? I'm gonna. Oh. As you can see, it's not done well, that. I think last time I did it in the dry, it really went into it. I don't know why. I think I've just lost the fizz out of that. So yeah, let's do another one. Look at that. Just watch that. Click fizz up. Put another one in. Yeah, I was a bit disappointed in this one. The last one, I used it with the tumble dryer and it really went, but yeah, just let me put some more in. I think that's it now. I think the fizz is all gone. So yeah, that was another fail. When I did it a few years ago with the tumble dryer, it did bloody good. But never mind. Let's do that. Yeah, I think I've broken the pump. Yeah, definitely, I've broken the pump. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I much appreciate it, and see you in the next video.